AI can generate test cases, write scripts, and even find bugs. Tools are emerging fast. Companies are experimenting. Naturally, testers are worried. Will I be needed at all? AI is great at patterns, plus speed, e.g. generating hundreds of test cases quickly, but it struggles with context, creativity, and critical thinking. Example, I might miss a usability issue that only a human would spot. AI can assist testers, but it can't replace the human judgment behind quality. The opportunity? What can testers do with AI? Use AI to speed up repetitive tasks, test data generation, regression runs, spend more time on exploratory testing, risk analysis, and communication. Upscale into AI testing tools and DevOps workflows. The best testers won't be replaced by AI. They'll be the ones who know how to use it. Career guidance. If you're in QA today, don't panic. Instead, 1. Learn how AI works and all about the tools. 2. Strengthen skills. AI can't replace critical thinking, communication, or domain experience. 3. Position yourself as someone who brings AI into QA, not someone who fights against it. So, will AI replace QA in 2025? No, but QA roles will evolve. The testers who adapt will thrive. The one who don't may struggle. If you want to stay ahead, subscribe to Inside STLC. I've got tutorials, career tips, and insights to help you future-proof your testing career.